Ever wondered why Python is so popular among programmers? Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that holds a design philosophy which emphasizes code readability. This means that Python's syntax is clean, easy to understand, and requires fewer lines of code than many other languages. It's not just about simplicity, though. Python is incredibly versatile, with a wide range of applications. It's used in web development, powering some of the biggest websites on the internet. It's a go-to language in the realm of data analysis, where its powerful libraries and frameworks simplify complex tasks. It's even at the forefront of machine learning and artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in these exciting fields. Python's easy-to-learn syntax makes it a great choice for beginners. It's like a stepping stone, a gateway into the wider world of programming. So Python has a lot of features that make it a top choice for many programmers. But how does it compare to other languages? Stick around to find out. Now let's dive into how Python stacks up against other popular programming languages. When talking about programming languages, we often hear names like Java, C++, and JavaScript. Each of these languages has its unique features and applications. But today we're going to focus on Python and see how it compares to these other languages. One of the most significant advantages of Python is its simplicity. Python's syntax is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, making it much easier to read and write than many other languages. Python's code is clean and efficient, which means you can do more with fewer lines of code. This simplicity is part of what makes Python such a powerful tool for beginners and experts alike. Now let's talk about versatility. Python is a highly versatile language capable of handling a variety of tasks. Whether you're working on data analysis, web development, machine learning, or even game development, Python has you covered. This versatility makes Python a great choice for a broad range of projects and applications. But what really sets Python apart is the extensive support it receives from its community. Python has a large, active community of developers who are always ready to help and share their knowledge. This community support, combined with Python's extensive library of tools and resources, makes Python an incredibly rich and powerful programming language. Compared to Java, Python's syntax is less complicated and more intuitive, which makes it a more accessible language for beginners. When compared to C++, Python's memory management is much simpler, reducing the risk of memory leaks and other errors. And unlike JavaScript, which is primarily used for web development, Python is a general-purpose language that can be used for a wide range of applications. So, how does Python stack up against other languages? Quite well, actually. Its simplicity, versatility, and community support make it a strong contender in the world of programming languages. And with its straightforward syntax and extensive library of resources, Python is a language that's both easy to learn and powerful in its application. As you can see, Python holds its ground pretty well against other languages. But what makes it stand out? So, what makes Python a favorite among many programmers? Firstly, Python's extensive standard library is a huge advantage. It offers a broad range of modules and classes for a variety of tasks, which means you don't have to write every single bit of code yourself. This library is like a toolbox, packed with pre-written code that can be used to send emails, connect to web servers, work with operating systems, and much more. Secondly, let's talk about how easy Python is to learn. Its clear syntax and readability make it an excellent choice for beginners. The language is designed to be easy to understand and write, which means you can focus more on problem solving and less on trying to understand the language itself. Python's simplicity is its strength, and it's one of the main reasons why it's so popular among new programmers. Now let's not forget about the Python community. It's strong, active, and incredibly supportive. If you're stuck on a problem, there's a good chance someone in the Python community has already solved it and is willing to help. This community also contributes to the development and improvement of Python, ensuring that it continues to grow and evolve. Python's compatibility is another key advantage. It's a cross-platform language, which means you can run Python code on various operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux, and more. Whether you're working on a personal project or developing enterprise software, Python's broad compatibility makes it a flexible choice. And finally, Python's powerful frameworks for web development and data science make it a versatile tool. Django, Flask, and Pyramid are just a few examples of Python's robust web frameworks. And for data science, Python offers libraries like NumPy, SciPy, and Pandas, which simplify complex calculations and data manipulation. Clearly, Python brings a lot to the table. From its extensive standard library and ease of learning to its strong community support and powerful frameworks, Python is a language that has much to offer. It's not just a tool for programmers, but a powerful ally in solving problems and creating solutions. But let's summarize what we've learned so far. We've talked a lot about Python, but let's distill it down to the key points. Python, as we've discussed, is a high-level interpreted programming language that has become a favorite among both new and experienced developers. Its simple syntax, which emphasizes readability, is one of its defining traits. This not only makes it an excellent choice for beginners, but also allows seasoned coders to implement complex functionalities with fewer lines of code. When we compared Python to other languages, it was clear that Python's simplicity doesn't compromise its power. It stands tall among its peers, offering a wide range of applications, from web and game development to data analysis and machine learning. Its versatility is a testament to its robustness and adaptability. Python's standard library is another significant aspect that sets it apart. This extensive collection of modules provides functionalities for various tasks, eliminating the need for external libraries or tools. It's like a Swiss Army knife for programmers, ready to tackle any challenge that comes its way. Another compelling reason to consider Python for your next project is its vibrant community. With millions of developers worldwide, you're never alone when you're coding in Python. This strong support network not only fosters learning and collaboration, but also contributes to a rich ecosystem of resources, including a vast array of third-party libraries and frameworks. And let's not forget about Python's compatibility and integration capabilities. Whether you're working on Linux, Windows, or Mac, Python has got you covered. It can also effortlessly integrate with other languages and tools, making it a truly versatile player in the programming world. In essence, Python is simple yet powerful, versatile yet straightforward, and backed by a strong community. It's a tool that can equip you to tackle any project, be it small or large, simple or complex. So next time you're deciding on a language for your project, remember the power of Python. This is 01MapotaLab, signing off. Keep coding and see you in the next video.